How's it going? It's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart here at Stanton Elementary in Hammondsville, Ohio. And this is the bell right outside the school near the main road. But really emotional day. Kindergarten through sixth graders, I got to share my heart with them today. The main focus was on anti-bullying, seeing people for your heart first before you see anything else. Treat them like you treat your own best friend. Treat them the way that you want to be treated, like the golden rule states. And like the shirt says, one race human, that you see people as human beings before anything else. And even beyond that, really trying to focus on everybody as a unique miracle and seeing their worth, like the M that's etched on all of our palms with the lines of our hand, M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. And really trying to reinforce that all of us are very unique. Some of us are born differently, and the couple people that really came up to me, a couple teachers and even some students that were really moved, especially when they saw the part on Nick Vujicic, another speaker, but born without arms and legs, from Australia, shares his heart all over the world, inspires millions of people every day, really every year. But he wasn't always that open to love and kindness, and it was certain acts of just compassion that healed his heart, and he became one of those healed people to help heal people. That we can stay stuck in that hurt people who hurt people, and sometimes we are the hurt people that hurt ourselves by how we talk to ourselves and treat ourselves, and kind of hurt our own heart by what people say or do to us, that we take those things way too personally. But at the end of the day, we can flip the script and become this light to other hearts. And if we choose to forgive any of the hatred that was shown to us and get past some of that pain and hurts and step into our full potential, we can start to have that huge impact on other people. So the ones that really were emotional about seeing his disability, I told them that that's awesome, because that means you have a huge heart, because you wouldn't be getting emotional if it didn't touch your heart. And from that angle, you've been given a gift. And now it's up to you to go share that same gift that you were given, that tears are our strength, the sweat of our strength. And if they lead to feeling again and starting to heal again, now we can go and spread that type of kindness that was shown to us to help heal our hearts to everybody that we meet and whoever we choose to encounter. So thanks again for touching my heart. I hope to see you guys again soon. And just know that some of us, all of us, have some type of disability. Yes, it is how we're born, whether it's without arms and legs or sight or hearing, something more physical, sometimes more mental. But even for some of us, it's just a inability to love, or we've been kind of hurt in the past, so we don't really want to open up anymore. But the reward for potential best friends, lifelong friends, is so worth the risk of people that may try to bring us down because they're hurting inside. So keep your heart open. You guys touched my heart again. It was great to meet all of you. You guys are etched in my heart, all your faces, all your smiles. Hope to see you guys again soon. Keep spreading the peace. Peace.